Hi guys, we're heading to Lexus car dealership to pick up our car that's being serviced. It's already done. Pumunta si Jan kaninang 8 a.m. Hinatid yung sasakyan and nag-Uber lang siya. I-return din natin ito. Ironing board cover. Sa work ni Jan ito eh. Wrong order. Oh, wrong size. So, baka pupunta din ako ng Best Buy ngayon guys to check if I can upgrade this one. Actually, it's a trade-in. Iti-trade in natin. We'll see if magkano yung kuha nila nito. And I'm not sure kung meron pa akong warranty dito. Kasi parang nabasag siya guys eh. Ayan oh. Hindi nyo ata makikita pero parang nabasag siya and well, I'll make use of my warranty na lang din. Ayan oh, para siyang mayroong fog. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo siguro, I'm using my iPhone videoing right now. Pero we'll see if they will accept this one guys. More will be revealed. Okay. So antayin muna, upo muna tayo dito. Nagsasapatos lang muna si John. And dito makikita naman natin yan sa bintana ang pagdating ng lady driver, yung ating driver ngayon, si Monica. Gimekaniko ni Monica ang makina. Ganda ng weather ngayon. It's good to walk, but it's a bit hot. Pero kung sanay ka na talaga dito sa Florida, alam nyo si John, nagtatrabaho yan kahit tanghaling tapat. Even if it's broiling hot, you work in the garden. Or you cut trees, or you do whatever. Under the heat of the sun.
It's okay. You get used to it.
Nah, you get used to it daw, sabi ni John. Ganyan talaga siya.
Everybody in farmers out doing their job.
Oo. Nakakamiss no sa buhay probinsya. Wala tayong pakialam kahit na sobrang init. Pero ako talaga, aaminin ko talaga guys, hindi man ako magsisinungaling sa inyo. No? Lumaki man ako sa probinsya pero hindi ako kagaya ng iba na talagang subsub sa trabaho na talagang kahit sobrang init, tirik na tirik yung araw, magtatrabaho pa din. Ako naman nagtatrabaho guys pero alam mo yun, mabilis lang. 'Di ba? Ayoko naman na magpaka-ipokrito sa inyo. No? Yes, laking probinsya pero hindi subsub sa trabahong probinsya. Mabuti na guys yung mabuti na yung nagsasabi ng totoo kaysa sa nagsisinungaling. Pero dati naalala ko nung bata pa ako guys is na mamugon ang term namin yan eh. Yung magpapasuhol ka ng mga arawan, magtatrabaho kayo, mangguna kayo sa tubuhan, mangguna kayo sa maisan. I think the driver is here now. Oh, yeah. Mangguna and then 40 pesos a day hanggang sa naging 70 pesos a day way back in high school pa guys. Pero ngayon magkano na kaya? I think 150 na ata ngayon guys. Correct me if I'm wrong dyan sa mga Mlang, Cotabato, ganyan na area. Maganda tapos dati no, ang mga kinikita ko dati sa pamugon ko guys. Binibili ko ng song hits. Naalala ko pa dati 30 pesos ang song hits. Do you know what song hits, dear?
No, I don't know.
It's like a magazine of songs, like lyrics. Maybe it's not a thing in here. So yun yung mga nauso na NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, A1, Boyzone, diba? Yan yung mga dati, mga boy band. Tapos mga Taylor Swift, wala pa ata si Taylor Swift na high school ako. Wala pa masyado. Ayan, mga Alanis Morissette, mga ganyan. Oh, naka-song hits yan guys. Minsan may mga album sila doon. Tapos minsan yung mga top 100, top 20 songs, mga ganyan. Naalala ko, may mga song hits. Ewan ko kung sinunog na siguro yun doon sa lumang bahay. Gusto ko pag umuwi ako, gusto kong tignan yung mga luma kung kasi minsan reminiscing. Kayo guys, comment kayo kung nakatry na kayo bumili ng song hits before and magkano yung inyong bili ng song hits before. La Rosel Nava, ayan, Julina Magdangal, sa mga Pinoy ba, Regine Velasquez, of course. Tapos sila Martin Rivera, tapos sila ni Gary V, yan yung mga usong-uso dati guys sa mga song hits. Tapos yung mga notebook before, have you tried buying notebook like when you're in high school, you're using notebook, right?
Yeah.
Do you also have the picture of a celebrity in the notebook?
Me, no.
No, 'di ba? Iba talaga sa kanila, guys. Sa atin, 'di ba, mga notebook nila ni Selena Sevilla, tama ba? Sino 'yun? Sila Arnaez, Charmaine Arnaez. Sino pa? I think Piolo Pascual, nandyan na yan sila, Judy Ann Santos, Gladys Reyes. Yun yung mga cover ng notebook ko dati, guys. Tapos ang ginagawa namin para matagal masira yung notebook, tinatanggal namin yung spring at pinapalitan namin ng yarn. For sure, hindi makarelate yung mga taga-US kaya ni Jan. Siguro mga normal na notebook lang yung mga binibili nila. Yung mga ready-made na talaga ba. Sa atin talaga guys, pagagandahin pa natin yan. Tapos lalagyan natin ng pangalan. Ano yung mga nilalagay natin na pangalan? Di ba mga name tag tayong nilalagay dyan sa mga notebook natin? Para hindi mawala. Sino ang paborito ninyong mga artista dati guys na nasa notebook? O comment kayo, malalaman ko talaga ang mga edad ninyo guys. Dito na. You'll be on the other side. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon. We're here now at Lexus. Oh, our car is there, number 3. Yay! Nilinisan nila. $259. Nagulat lang ako sa presyo ng swivel chair na ito guys, or what do you call this one, na office chair guys. Kasi mas maganda pa yung nakita namin sa kalsada noong nakaraan. Tignan ninyo, spot the difference. 'Di ba? Hindi ko bibilhin ito no, $259.99. Tapos parang may something ng pangit talaga siya tignan guys. Mas maganda pa po yung mga nakukuha natin sa pamamasura natin, mga napupulot natin sa kalsada. At sa araw na ito guys, bibili din tayo ng mga boxes kasi naka 50% off po siya. Kasi paparating na po yung mga stocks natin ng mga bags from Thailand and Malaysia. Ipapaship na natin siya soon. Konti lang muna yung binili ko na boxes guys, like 5 pieces per size. Lang muna yung binili ko kasi hindi ko pa kasi alam guys yung mga sizes ng bags, no? So, siguro kung kukulangin is mag-order na lang tayo online. We're here at the Home Depot. Meron kasi ako mga nabili dati ng mga balikbayan boxes. Tapos hindi ko na siya nagagamit. So, i-return lang natin. Ganito dito sa US, guys. Kapag ka may mga items ka na hindi mo nagamit, as long as okay pa yung quality niya, guys, pwede mo siyang i-return. Bibigyan ka lang nila ng kagaya nito ng store credit. And in fairness, pinayagan pa rin nila kami na i-return yung mga items kahit na wala na kaming resibo, guys. Hindi na rin alam ni Jan kung ano yung credit card na ginamit niya. Kasi kung sa Philippines ito, guys, no, naku, hindi talaga yan papayag. Kailangan may return mo ito within 7 days or what, or kailangan may present ka talaga na dito mo talaga yan binili. And then umikot-ikot muna kami guys, and nakita ko itong napakagandang mga bulaklak nila na para bagang mga plastic, pero hinawakan ko ito guys, no, na-confirm ko naman na mga totoong bulaklak siya, pero parang mga plastic guys, no. Medyo mahal lang. And then nandito din kami ngayon sa Best Buy. Dumaan na din kami kasi bibili ako ngayon guys ng Osmo DJI Pocket 3. Matagal ko na talagang tinitignan ito guys. Kaso nga lang, walang kahit na isang nag-assist sa amin. Ganito ba talaga sa US? Kung sa Philippines ito guys, no, naku, pag-aagawan ka talaga ng mga sales representative. Pero dito guys, no, talagang ay nako, hanapin mo talaga yan sila guys kasi busy talaga yan sila. At saka parang wala pa silang pakialam guys kung may customer o wala. Pero finally, after few minutes na pag-iikot guys, finally may nag-assist na sa amin na sobrang bait. And eto na! Pumayag sila guys na i-upgrade or what do you call that? Trade-in itong aking lumang Insta360. And I'm very excited to use my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Sabi ni Jan, wag na tayong lumabas ng bahay. Naka $500 tayo ngayon guys. Pero kasama na po yung insurance nito. Kumuha talaga ako ng insurance nito guys kasi hindi naman natin alam, 'di ba? Baka mabagsak natin o may mga hindi magandang mangyari dito sa unit natin. So yung magkano ba yung insurance nito? I think nasa $150 pero for 2 years na yun. Kasi hindi naman natin alam. May nakita akong comment na bakit hindi mo hinintay, Johannes, yung DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So ayun, baka magkaroon ng problema ito in the future. So balik natin ito and then palitan ng DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And nahuli na yung voice over ko guys. Basta nag-grocery kami, bumili kami ng chips and ngayon nasa bahay na kami. Nilaga lang ni Jan yung chicken wings dahil magdi-deep fried chicken kami mamaya and ngayon ay mag-unboxing na ako. Grabe, ang hirap mag-voice over guys kaya sana hindi kayo mag-skip sa aking mga videos. Maraming salamat sa mga hindi nag-skip. Please, wag kayo mag-skip at mag-like po kayo guys at i-share niyo ang ating video at mag-subscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel kasi napakahirap talaga ng ginagawa ko guys. No, mag-video dito, mag-edit doon, mag-voice over dito. Ang dami pang mali-mali. Kaya bahala na kayo dyan guys. Kung mali-mali ang masabi ko guys, no, kayo na lang mag-adjust. Open na natin ito guys. Meron siyang lagayan. O ito po yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Maraming DJI guys na camera pero ito yung pinaka-latest ata. Correct me if I'm wrong. Ayan, nandito yung kanyang mga accessories. Ito po yung phone mismo or camera mismo. Phone talaga, Johannes. Bahala ka na dyan. Hindi ko na to i-edit. Nandito may mga free microphone ito. May mga free stand. Ito po yung combo yung kinuha ko. Siguro nasa $629 ito. Tapos nakakuha ako ng credit kasi diba pina-trade in ko siya. So ang nabayaran lang namin dito is nasa $300+ itong unit na ito guys. And then andito po yung kanyang mga accessories. Panoorin nyo na lang guys kung ano yung mga accessories niya. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano-ano mga ito. Tignan natin guys kung magmumukbang tayo. Tignan natin kung malakas ba. Midnight. Hi. Look at Midnight guys. Ma-zoom ba ito? Hindi siya ma-zoom. Hi Midnight. Hello. Hello there. Check natin yung mga plants natin. Hello Midnight. Hi. Oh hi. Hi. Hi, Midnight. Did I wake you up? Did I wake you up, Midnight? Hi, Kitty Midnight. Hi, we love you. Oh, this is a very good camera. This is a very good camera. Wow. I love you. I love you. Let's check the other settings. Hi, Midnight. Hello. Hello. Let's check the garden. We just harvested earlier, guys. Look at that. The papaya is flowering na. We still have lots of limoncito. Yan. Magsunod-sunod yun na siya. Uy, magsunod-sunod yun na siya. Uy. What about the pretty girl? What about the pretty girl? This is our pretty girl. This is our pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, nagsiselos ang aming palangga. Medyo nahirapan lang ako magkabit nitong wristlet, guys. For sure, madami din sa inyo guys ang makarelate nito. Ang hirap niya talagang ipasok, guys. Gumamit na ako ng toothpick, gumamit na ako nitong pen, mga iba't ibang needles, ginamit ko na. Nahirapan talaga ako and nagpatulong na din ako kay John, guys. Ang dami na naming mga ginawa, pero mahirap talaga siyang ipasok. Ayan na. Ayan na, it's coming out na. Ayan na! Yay! Don't move. Okay. There you go. Finally. Kailangan kasi talaga natin tong ikabit guys for safety reasons kasi habang nagba-vlog tayo, no, kapag nasa public places tayo, pwede mo siyang iganyan, oh. Hindi siya basta-basta mahuhulog kasi baka mabasag naman kaagad yung camera natin guys. Kasi ako pa naman guys, naku, napakaburara ko talaga sa gamit. There.
Stop the driver.
It is Clyde. They are here. Ate Lucy in the house.
You're not working, Jan?
No work.
How about Saturday?
I don't know.
Are
Is
you
there
working?
a party? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
you're
working.
going?
Party.
You're going? You go.
Am I invited?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Clyde is going. So that's Clyde with somebody to talk to.
Okay.
Meron kasi kaming pupuntahang party bukas. Usually kapag nagkikita-kita kami dito, usually Pinay lang po yung nagtatapok-tapok. Hindi na namin kasama yung mga bana namin. Kasi, syempre nag-uusap tayo ng Tagalog, baka ma-out of place po sila. Pero tomorrow, sasama na si Clyde, yung husband ni Ate Lucy. So, para may kausap siya, kaya isasama na rin namin si John.
Ay, ang ganda, oh.
King.
Wow. Kasi pa kayo? Asya yan. Ako asya. Akin na yun.
Meron kasi kaming mga total of 10 ata na coconuts dito guys na sobrang dami talaga ng bunga na halos hindi talaga kami nauubusan ng bunga. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, tinatawagan ko yung aking mga kaibigan na malapit lang dito sa bahay. And then, pinapapunta ko sila dito at binibigyan ko sila. Minsan, tag-iisang buong sasakyan talaga ang mga nakukuha nila, guys. Libre lamang po ito.
Oh, so
No.
how about next week?
No work tomorrow. Not much. Maybe one day.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
But didn't charge you or didn't reduce your salary?
Oh, I'm salary, so
Oh, yeah, that's good.
whether I work or not,
Yeah, they pay you.
maybe they get sad when they're not home.
Ay, nauntog ka dahil luya po din.
Oo, nauntog ko dahil. That's
Thank
Ate
you,
Lucy.
Thank you so much, Day.
Aha.
Lakas na.
Wow.
Sabi ni Joy, uy,
Oh.
dala ka ng buko salad ha.
Aha.
Kaya nga ako, pupunta kami ngayon eh. Timplahan ko na lang pag ano. Ay, thank you so much.
It's been a windy season.
I know. Thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome.
Bye.
How about our...
No more.
No more.
No more?
No
the
more.
kids just came and took them all.
Oh, John.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
They
Take-
eat them great. We have more.
Next.
It's one way, so go that way.
Naalala ko, meron pa pala kaming isang tumpok dito guys na nakat ni Jan nung nakaraan. Actually, okay pa naman ito. Siguro mga 2 to 3 days na. Hindi pa naman masisira ito. Kaso ayaw na ni Clyde. Sabi niya wag na lang daw kasi madami na silang nakuha. Kaya sabi ko ay ilalagay na lang natin ito sa kalsada. And nakuha na nila ito kaagad guys. Tinawagan ako ni Ate Lucy kanina na kung pwede dalhin ko daw yung ibang mga buko kasi may mga ibang girls na gusto nito. Sabi ko hala, nalagay ko na sa kalsada. Wala na guys. Siguro next time na lang. Pero mag-check pa tayo sa ibang mga puno dito. Meron pa tayong mga makuha guys. Kasi yung mga nakita ko nung nakaraan, parang mga linghod pa siya eh. Pero ang importante lang naman dito is yung buko juice, 'di ba? Alam nyo guys, wala pang 5 minutes. May mga pumunta na dito guys at kinuha lahat ng buko namin. Jan is busy in the kitchen right now. That's John's homemade seasoning. Made of what?
Roasted shallots,
Ah,
garlic, onion powder, maybe paprika.
mhm. Nag-ano din si Jan ng pizza. We're gonna have salad.
Put it in some ice water to make it crispy. You don't see the ice because it's under the grate, so it doesn't get all in the salad. A little bit of salt, special spice, Cholula.
That's it. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Let's see if we can find fruit now. Yes.
Very quickly.
Very quickly. You know.
Oh, you're so heavy.
Wow.
Did you get so heavy?
Wow. Mhm. Hi, Midnight. Oh, hi. Ayun guys, oh yung mangga natin. You know the good thing about this deer is you can zoom, look. We have chili guys. Oh. Chili.
It's looking happier again.
Gusto niya talaga itong binibibi namin. Binibibi namin. Hi, Kitty Province. Her name is Province. And she's so beautiful. She's so pretty. She's so beautiful. And she's so pretty. Where's Midnight? Midnight! Hello, Midnight. Where are you? Midnight. Meety Kid Night. Oh, guys, he's playing over there. Look. I don't know if you can see him, but he's playing over there. These are from the garden, guys. Tomatoes from the garden. Nagluluto pa si Jan ngayon doon sa labas ng chicken wings. It's gonna be perfect. Tapos lalagyan ni Jan ng kanyang secret ingredient. Secret recipe.
Cholula. Don't need a lot.
Kuha lang tayong lagayan ng sauce natin, guys. For the chicken.
Sasawan.
Sausawan.
Like it was just made. Hand me your plate.
Like it was just made daw, sabi ni Jan. Fresh from the oven, microwave oven. It's so good. 3 months na itong pizza na ito, dear, no? That pizza is 3 months old.
I don't remember when we bought it.
I think when I came back from Philippines. Kain tayo, guys. Jan is gathering all the ingredients for the chocolate cake.
Know if that's 3/4 cup or not. It's 8 ounces.
Ah,
And I don't see chocolate chips.
the Ghirardelli?
Yeah, you use them up.
I think so. So, one of the ingredients, guys, sa paggawa ng chocolate cake is cocoa powder at saka chocolate chips. Akala ni Jan is makaligtas na siya sa pagpunta sa store dahil meron pa siyang nakuha na cocoa powder. Wala pala kaming chocolate chips kaya pupunta muna tayo ng store saglit mamaya. Wala talaga, oh. Hi, guys. Okay. It's brunch time and egg na naman si Johannes. Palagi lang namang egg ang kumakain ni Johannes. So, magluluto tayo ng egg and then bread. Where's the bread? Okay. And then avocado. There's only one avocado left. I think there's another one. And of course, our favorite sausage. Tignan ninyo, guys. Nilagay na yung kaldero sa refrigerator. Ganyan lang, guys. No? Parang ano ba ito? Ang daming kalat. Makalat! Okay. Dito tayo. What is that? Kasi kung saan ako pupunta, dear, look. Wherever I go, see? It follows me. This is a very good camera.
Does it make dizzy?
Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Please let me know, guys, if it will make dizzy, ha? Ayan, tignan natin. Fried egg na lang tayo for breakfast. This is my usual breakfast. Well, sometimes it's boiled egg, pero lately, nagugustuhan ko na yung ano, guys, yung, what do you call this one? It's a basted egg.
Tasty. You have a present.
Ay, wow! May dumating! Hala, is that from Hawaii? Kain muna ako and then unboxing tayo. I think that's from Chit Ruiz. She was sending me macadamia chocolate from Hawaii. Lang, guys, I usually do salt and pepper lang. I'm not too crazy about seasonings. Kasi ma-over ano siya eh. Kapag lalagyan ko pa siya ng mga garlic powder and pepper powder, it will have OA flavor. So, I always like salt and pepper. Just like sa steak, salt and pepper is what we really need. So later, gagawa po tayo, guys, ng, hindi ko pala na-on yung ilaw. Gagawa po tayo later ng chocolate cake dahil tomorrow we are invited sa friend namin na si Joy. And then gagawin na natin ngayon yung chocolate cake because it doesn't matter. Mas maganda nga pag nagawa na kagad ang chocolate cake para tomorrow hindi na tayo magkarakara sa paggawa. Ayan. So, I'm preheating the sausage and the bread, the keto bread. And while waiting for this egg, okay, konting linis-linis muna tayo dito. Konting linis-linis muna tayo. Okay, pwede ko na sigurong i-open ito. Ayan. Try natin yung focus. Focus, focus, focus. Hinaan ko lang muna siya. Ayan, like sa pinakamahina. Kasi hindi, para sabay sila maluto ng ano ba. Ayan. After preheating, kailangan mo lang siyang i-open at saka i-start kasi hindi siya automatic nag-i-start. Yun lang yung parang disadvantage ng microwave oven na ito. Actually, this is multi-purpose guys. Microwave oven / air fryer siya. So what I do with my avocado, I sprinkle it with sugar. And guys, our sugar is erythritol. We use erythritol guys para, ano siya, healthy sugar siya. I don't know if it's really healthy. Hala, nakalimutan ko palang gamitin yung microphone ko. I have microphone. On natin. Automatic ito nakukonect dito guys eh. Para mas madali akong mapakinggan. It's connected already. Ayan. Medyo mulay-lay lang ang atong shirt, guys, ha? But let me know, guys, am I clearer this time or what? So, let me know in the comment section. So, crispy on the outer layer. And then, on the inside, it's still runny. Runny on the inside. Look at that. Okay. I'm excited na para i-unbox ito. I know this is from Chita Ruiz. Hala, ang dami niya pinadala. 2 boxes. Grabe ka, Ma'am Chita Ruiz. Excited na ako na i-open natin. Ay, bongga. Hala, Hawaiian Host. Ano to? Hala ka, dear. Strawberry and cream white chocolate. Macadamia. What is this?
Something coffee.
Guava Hawaiian shortbread.
Kona coffee? Something?
Oo. Hala ka, first time ko makakain ito. Be, let's see what... Uy, wow. Hala ka. Ay, that's a lot, ha? Uy, wow. Ay, ube with coconut. Hala ka, darling. Uy, thank you so much, Chita Ruiz. Ube with coconut Hawaiian, but made in Hawaii. Guava Hawaiian shortbread. There's another one eh. Kuna coffee with chocolate chip. Oh my God. Eee! Lily Koi passion fruit. You know, when we started vlogging, you remember? A lot of them are sending
Very nice.
stuff.
What do we got here?
Agay, ang laki nito. Oh! Ano yan? Ang laki, darling.
Sana all
Sana all talaga 5 boxes packs.
of
Hawaiian Host. OMG! Wow! Ay! Is that chocolate? Aloha Max Hawaiian Host.
chocolate covered macadamia.
Thank you so
Very
much!
nice. Can't wait to try.
Alaka, dear, it's different flavor.
No, it looks the same.
Looks the same. Milk chocolate. OMG, I love it. I love it. Ay, we can bring one tomorrow. We will bring one, just one, kasi there's a lot eh. We will bring one tomorrow. One of these. Ito lang siguro, itong isa. Pang himagas. Thank you so much again, Ma'am Chita. This is the one that I wanna try first. Ito na po yung mga ingredients sa chocolate cake natin. Maglilinis lang ako dito guys ng pinagkainan namin ni John. And para later, ready na tayo dito. Titignan ngayon ni John ang laman ng basurahan.
We got some pork chops and some chicken.
Ay, oo nga, ang dami.
Oh, we got some strawberries. Whole box.
Hi guys! For today's vlog is we're gonna try the chocolate that was sent to us by one of our followers, subscribers, Chit Ruiz. So, meron tayo dito, dear. We have here Hawaiian Host Aloha Max Milk Chocolate. 5 of those. And we have here Passion Hawaii shortbreads. Ayan, shortbreads, guava, ube, coffee, and passion fruit. Binuksan na ni Jan. And of course, the Hawaiian Host strawberries and cream chocolate. Okay, let's start with this one. Binuksan na ni Jan. Ay, that's how it looks like. OMG! Wow! Okay, let's
Like
try it.
Charles.
This is milk chocolate. Macadamia. Covered macadamia. I'm dying to try this one. Hawaiian Host. It's sealed eh. Resealable, I mean. So that's how it looks like. Macadamia.
Sweet.
It's very good. Strawberry and cream, white chocolate. It's really good.
Needs coffee now.
Okay. Which one do you want to try first? Ube, passion fruit, coffee, or guava?
Guava.
Guava. Okay. Let's try the guava. Ah, that's good.
Individual. pack.
Individual packs. That's good. We will just open one.
One's good.
And then hati lang muna tayo, dear. Okay. This is shortbread. Ayan. Okay. Shortbread. Cheers.
Sorry. I missed the cheers.
Guava.
Nice and crispy. Next. Passion
What can you
fruit.
say about guava?
It's different. Never had anything like that before.
Okay, next is the Kona coffee.
We should do that one last, no?
The coffee, okay. Let's do ube. Ube first. Second, ube. Ayan. Shortbread. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Actually, it needs coffee. It's also like with coconut, no?
Yeah. That's
Ah,
the
yeah.
first thing I taste.
With coconut. Next will be passion fruit. Hindi talaga kami marunong magmukbang, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Ayan.
It's already
Ayan.
split.
It's already split. I don't know because I haven't tried the passion fruit talaga, yung prutas talaga.
They're all very mildly flavored. Not overpowering.
Yes, I like it because it's not overpowering. Last but not the least is the Kona coffee
With chocolate chip.
with chocolate chip. Oh yeah.
It's good. That's my favorite one now.
You can taste the coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chit Ruiz.
Thank you, Chit Louise.
So this is your number 1. For the shortbread, this is your number 1.
Yes, and then maybe the ube.
Ube, top 2.
And then these
Guava.
They tie.
Thai ang guava at saka yung passion fruit. Ako din, hindi ako masyado sa passion fruit. Ako naman, coffee, guava, ube, passion fruit. And this one,
They're all good.
I like it. I love it.
No complaints.
Hindi ko to ibibigay. Ito lang yung magbibigay ako ng isa nito. We will bring one tomorrow, dear, for the party. Natutuwa talaga ako, guys, na may mga subscribers tayo na nagpapadala sa amin ng mga produkto na kilala sa kanilang lugar. Kasi syempre, hindi naman natin lahat napupuntahan. Actually, matagal na naming plano na pumunta sa Hawaii kasi meron din kaming mga kaibigan na nakatira doon. Honolulu, Hawaii. Hawaii ba yan pag-pronounce, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. Kaya natutuwa talaga ako, guys, kasi opportunity na ito na matikman namin ni Jan yung mga kilalang delicacy sa lugar ninyo. Kaya maraming salamat, nakakataba lang ng puso. Message ko siya. Chet Ruiz. Pakita ko to sa kanya. Ayan, picturean ko at pakita ko sa kanya. Merienda muna ako, guys, kaya nagutom ako Uy, sira pala yung yung ref ng store. Ang dami talaga, guys. I think maraming silang itatapon tonight kasi sira. Sabi ko nga kay Jan, babalikan namin mamaya Pumunta kami kanina, guys, sa isang grocery store na malapit dito sa amin. May bibilhin sana kami na frozen product. Ngayon, wala, sira yung kanilang freezer, guys, at saka yung ref nila. Grabe siguro ang mga itatapon nila mamayang gabi, guys. Kanina pumunta kami pero wala pa kaming nakita, guys Tignan natin mamayang gabi kung marami silang itatapon. Kukunin natin yung iba, guys. Hala, excited ako, mamasura na naman tayo. Medyo makunat na yung banana chips, guys. Kaya itry natin i-air fry. Air fry natin siya. Merienda muna tayo, guys. Okay. Sobrang init. Sobrang init, guys. Ito na po yung mga ingredients na gagawin natin. Chocolate cake for later. When it cools down, it's crispy.
Right, but it's still maybe bitter.
A little bitter. Ayun. Nag-start na siya mag-crisp. Hi guys! Good evening. It is... Time is it? 7:11. 7:11? And it's dinner time. Tignan niyo ang hinanda ni Jan. Niluto niya. Habang nag-e-edit ako kanina, nag-busy naman si Jan sa pagluluto. We have here deep fried chicken, deep fried with tallow. And then, the one that Jan marinated earlier. We have grilled chicken here. And then here, meron tayo dito garlic butter. I don't know kung anong, this is what for, the garlic butter. You have vegetable tonight? Broccoli. Oh yeah, the broccoli from the garden.
For the salad, do you want tomato?
Tomato from the garden. Ay, liki.
Or wait.
Hala, liki, darling. Liki?
I don't know.
What
Who
happened to
does
that?
I don't,
No? It
I'm not
always
tomato
like
farmer.
that. It always like that. Okay, so blanch lang muna ni Jan itong ating broccoli from the garden. And then, how many bags did you, dear? Did you boil? You boil everything? Kasi there's another
boiled
extra
everything.
here. And then, nandito naman yung ating, andito naman guys yung ating romaine. Ayan for our salad. How's the chicken?
Do you want salad? The chicken is delicious.
I think I want salad, yeah. Because it's perfect with this one. I know it's always delicious. Kain mo na ako ng isa. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ni Johannes, pwede po bang mag-subscribe po kayo sa amin. Mag-like sa video po namin. And wag po kayong mag-skip. Salamat po. At i-share po ninyo. Sarap. Actually, no need na ng sauce nito eh. It doesn't need sauce. The chicken. It's already good. Homemade dressing.
Yep. Homemade dressing, no surprises. This doesn't have to cook long. Into the water. Back on the fire. Then goes the seasoning. Let's get it started. We're almost ready to eat.
All right.
So the snow rice, baby, yes, snow rice. But I really wish you could make it. Something inside is dying, I can't rise it, I just can't make it.
I think kukuha ako ng calamansi there outside for the chicken. I don't know.
I don't need calamansi.
Okay, wag na lang.
You have plates already?
No plates already.
Maybe salad plate now.
Smoke. Ah, no.
Wings are ready. I'll slice the chicken. Remember we said, is one chicken breast enough?
Yeah, that's a lot.
And when you slice it up, it's enough.
More than enough. Okay. Yes. I think kailangan ko ng can you hand me the microphone, darling? Please. Thank you.
So before.
Okay. Thank you. That looks amazing. Let me try it.
Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. This is 5-star.
Lord, thank you so much for all the blessings that you have showered to us. Amen.
Amen.
Can you turn off dear that thing? Thank you. Fresh from the garden. Sarap. Tikman natin yung ano ni Jan. chicken. Wow, that's so tender. How many? 2. So tender. So tender, guys.
Very tender.
I uploaded a video and asking the opinion of my subscribers whether if I'm going to the Philippines or wait till June before I go to the Philippines. And because you know that we are waiting for oath-taking, and then the cruise is in June. So right now kasi dear, I'm torn if I wanna go to the Philippines.
I know you're torn.
A lot
I'm torn too.
of the comments dear were saying that Johannes, be practical. Wait for your oath taking and hopefully it will come soon before you go to the Philippines. Go on a cruise on June and then after that go to the Philippines. Straight to the Philippines.
It's a possibility you go to the Philippines and you don't leave.
Kasi, ang iniisip ko kasi guys, kapag uuwi ako ngayon ng Pilipinas, baka hindi ako makakabalik kaagad at ma-revoke yung aking citizenship. Yun lang naman ang iniisip ko guys eh. Yung matagal ko nang pinaghirapan, hindi naman, it doesn't necessarily mean, guys, that if I don't go to the Philippines, I don't love my family. I don't love my father. It's not like that.
100% does not mean that.
And you know naman guys, how loving I am, or tama ba ang word, as a child. Nakita ko na nyo naman kung gaano ko pinapahalagahan yung aking papa, binibigay ko sa kanila lahat, no? Ng pamilya ko, binibigay ko sa kanila lahat ng makakaya ko. Kaya, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ako makakauwi ngayon ay hindi ko na mahal or hindi ko pinapahalagahan. No?
There's nothing to feel guilty about.
And a lot of comments also stating that ipadala mo na lang yung pera. A lot of people there are saying that just send the money to the Philippines instead of buying a plane ticket. Because I also noticed guys that the plane ticket nowadays is very expensive. Even economy. Yung economy nila is parang premium economy to pa business class na talaga. And then, tumawag po ako sa papa ko kahapon. I called my papa yesterday and Jen was there. Hi!
Hi, Papa.
He wants to go to the beach.
Sunod Domingo, may lawas, kaluyan. Kasi ang mga ka-birthday pa pohon. Depende sa sitwasyon.
Ano, kinausap ko si papa kung ano talaga yung desisyon niya. Kasi, depende din yan sa papa ko. Hindi naman talaga problema din ang pera, guys. Kasi ang pera, tama naman kayo, nakikita naman yung pera, ganito, ganyan. Pero kasi ang iniisip ko is baka mag-conflict siya ba sa outtaking ko, mag-conflict siya, baka pagdating ko doon para ilang days pa lang, makakuha na tayo ng update from USAS na mag-outtaking na tayo. So, yun din yung iniisip ko, guys. And pinaliwanag ko sa papa ko at naintindihan naman niya. Sabi naman niya, guys, is hindi naman talaga necessary na umuwi ako. Yung papa ko na po ang nagsabi. Nakausap ko siya, and siya po ang nagdesisyon na hindi naman kailangan na umuwi kaagad.
There's FaceTime and other things that years ago we didn't have.
Exactly. So, marami din ang nagsabi ng ganyan, na Johannes, gawin mo na lang ang lahat na kagaya ng tawagan mo everyday. No, kasi yun din ang magpapalakas sa loob nila, guys, na parang hindi. Kasi ako naman talaga, guys, ay most of the time, tumatawag talaga ako sa amin. It's more of ako ang tumatawag sa amin kaysa sila ang tumatawag sa akin. Nagre-reach out talaga ako sa kanila, guys. It's more of ako kaysa sa sila ang nagre-reach out sa akin. I think my decision is final already. And antayin ko na lang na mag-June. I'll wait till June. Kasi kung uuwi kasi ako, dear, I have to come back in 2 to 3 weeks because my visa appointment is in May 12. Why I need a visa appointment, guys? Because I cannot go to Europe if I don't have visa. I really need to get a visa here in the US, not in the Philippines. It's not allowed because I am a green card holder. So I have to apply for the visa here in the US. So ayun,
Just in case.
pinaliwanag ko ng mabuti sa papa ko. Nag-usap na kami. And okay sa kanya guys na hindi na muna ako uuwi. And si John ayaw din niya eh. Ayaw niya akong payagan na umuwi ako. Which is naintindihan ko naman guys kasi pag uuwi ako no,
He's not alone. He's surrounded by people that love him.
that's
Personally, they're there.
one thing also.
And he knows,
At saka
he knows you
100,000
love him too.
100,000, 200,000 guys na pamasahe. Malaking tulong na talaga yan guys sa iba pang mga pwede natin paggamitan sa pera.
It's,
I said dear, 100,000 to 200,000, we can use that for other things. Very important. Than the plane ticket. I think sa panahon
it's
ngayon,
not that you're being selfish. It's just the practicality.
yes, I think dear in this in these times, we don't need drama anymore.
No.
I mean, a lot of people might say, "Oh, this is the times that your papa needs you," but on the other side, guys, you have to think of the gastos, no, the money that you'll be able to spend, that you will use for other useful things. Yun ang iniisip ko din talaga, guys, eh. So, I also read some comments about saying na bakit hindi na lang i-cancel yung cruise or i-reschedule. Ang sagot po namin dyan guys is hindi na po siya pwede dahil malapit na po kasi yung cruise. Dapat before 90 days ma-cancel mo na siya para mabigay sa iyo ang at least 75% or something. Ngayon kasi guys, ang tinignan namin, wala na po siyang marirefund. So, mafu-forfeit po yung bayad which is medyo malaki din siya guys ha, nasa $5,000 mahigit. And hindi pa po kasama yung flight to Europe and then yung hotel kasi nakapag-book na din kami ng hotel doon. So parang madami yung masasaya. At pinaliwanag ko po yun ng mabuti sa aking pamilya. Sobra ko talagang na-appreciate guys. Lahat ng mga comments niyo binasa ko po talaga. Hindi ko lang po talaga ma-replyan lahat sa sobrang dami. At marami, nakakataba po talaga, nakakatouch po ang lahat ng inyong mga sinabi na advice sa akin. And for also sharing your stories na yung iba ay may pinagdadaanan din kagaya ng pinagdadaanan namin. So guys, maraming salamat talaga guys sa inyong panunood. At sa mga nag-subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel, maraming salamat. Malaking tulong talaga guys kapag tinatapos niyo ang video namin. Malaking tulong ito sa pinansyal. Kasi ayoko talaga guys na ma-judge kapag may nagsabi sa akin na gumawa daw ako ng GoFundMe, mga ganyan-ganyan, manghingi ng mga kuan, mga donasyon or what. Pero ako kasi talaga guys is ayoko na, iniiwasan ko talaga yung mabash. Kasi marami ang magsasabi na, oh, saan mo ba dinadala yung mga sweldo mo? Although wala naman talagang sweldo na ngayon ha, alam niya ng mga influencer. Siguro hindi makarelate yung mga hindi influencer, hindi nagko-content creator, no? Pero kung nagko-content creator ka at alam mo talaga na mga cents na lang kinikita ngayon, especially sa Meta ba. So, kaya as much as possible, iniiwasan ko talaga yung manghingi, ganito, ganyan, kasi kaya pa naman, no? Ang sa akin lang is sana masuportahan kami like sa pamamagitan ng pag-view, no? Sa pamamagitan ng pagtapos ng video namin, pag-like, pag-share, o pag-subscribe. Yun lang talaga ang malaking maitulong talaga yan sa amin guys in terms of financial aspect. So maraming salamat. I'm telling them dear that they may not be able to give us like donations or something like that. But by them watching our entire video or sharing or liking or subscribing, it's really a big help.
Very helpful.
It's really a big help. That's why I want to say thank you sa lahat po ng mga nakaabot sa portion ng video natin na ito. At na-appreciate ko talaga. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.